Hello friends, in this session we are going to see how to pass structure to function using call by address method. Okay, so you know that in call by address method we are calling function by passing the address of actual parameter. So here actual parameter will be structure variable. So we are going to pass address of structure variable and then this address will be collected in structure pointer. So let us start with uh, call by address method for passing the structure to function. So I am going to define structure student with three members such as roll number, then avg, and then char name. So these are three members: roll number, avg, and name. Getting next, I am declaring display function. Okay, then I am defining display function outside main and function call be here. Okay, so before that I am declaring structure variable yes. Okay, let us read the values of this yes. Okay, members of this yes, that is roll number, and name. These values with the help of scanf. Percent f percent yes. So and yes dot and yes dot avg and yes dot name. With these three values will be read and then call function display by passing the address of structure variable yes. Now see the scenario. Consider this is my structure variable yes, which has three members. So consider this is roll number, this is avg, and third one is name. So consider this is yes structure variable and suppose these are the values entered by user. Okay, and suppose these are the addresses. So suppose address of yes dot roll number is 1000, address of yes dot avg is 1004, and address of so see address of yes dot roll number, it will take 4 bytes. So 1000, 1001, 1002, and 1003. There are 4 addresses. Getting we are always referring that block by using by using the address of first byte. The same way yes dot avg will take 4 bytes. Getting so again it will have 4 addresses: 1004, 1005, 1006, and 1007. But we always refer the block by using by using the address of first byte, that's why 1004. And then here there are yes dot name will take 10 bytes, so there are total 10 addresses. Getting so 1008 is the base address of that name array. Okay, now we are passing the address of yes. See, we are passing the address of yes. Now what is address of yes? Address of yes is nothing but the address of yes dot roll number. So what is the address of yes dot roll number? 1000. So that address will be passed. Getting, and then that address will be collected in structure pointer. So consider yes1 is a structure pointer and 1000 is collected over there. So that yes1 is pointing to yes because 1000 is base address of this yes. Okay, so this will be scenario. So that address will be collected in yes1 pointer, yes1 structure pointer. Now very important thing, the data type of actual parameter and data type of formal parameter should match. So see, the data type of yes is struct student, so the data type of yes1 should be struct student. Getting? So modify structure declaration accordingly. And now very important thing, see now yes1 is holding the address of yes. Getting? And address of yes is nothing but address of yes dot roll number. Now see, as yes1 is pointing to yes, so yes1 has direct access to value of roll number, value of avg, and value of name. Getting? So you can access these values 12, 78.9 and abcd. Getting? Based on the address of yes. Getting? But whenever we want to access, whenever we are accessing the value of member with the help of structure pointer, you can access those values with the help of arrow operator. Getting? So suppose one gives roll number, s1 gives avg, and s1 gives name. Getting? So you can access the value of structure member with help of structure pointer by using arrow operator. Getting? By using arrow operator. So this is the C program. This is the C program for passing the structure to function by using call by address method. So let us run this, give values, so you should get the same value. Getting? 12, 78.9 and abcd. So see, this is the program. So here we call the function by passing the address of actual parameter. Actual parameter is yes, and here formal parameter is yes1. So as we are passing the address, so your formal parameter should be pointer. Getting? And the type of yes and type of yes1 should match. That's why there is a struct student. Getting? And while accessing the value of structure member with the help of structure pointer, you should use arrow operator. You should use this arrow operator. Getting? So this is the program. Okay, thank you.